in not a clear-cut observation, but had good control of the game. And the penalty and successful conversion has certainly swung things back Newcastle's way. Can they get over the line, the Jets? And just get that one step closer to winning the league.
Even the Seagulls want to get involved. Bayless, Nunes, and victory do just enough. This is crazy stuff. Look at the Seagulls. Wilbury, it's like a day out on Newcastle Harbour.
Well, Ben, with respect, Melbourne people go to Newcastle Harbour and say this is a night out at Amy Park.